Good afternoon, this is Chris Rauh from NewEdge Signal Solutions here at IMS 2019 in Boston. Today we're showing a line of digital tunable filters, and some of the features of those filters are high rejection, high power handling, low power consumption, and leadership footprints. So let me walk you through them. So here's the line of filters we have. These plastic overmolded filters are in the 27 dBm input power range, very low power consumption below 100 milliwatts, and obviously very small form factor. The filters in the 1.2-inch square form factor can handle up to 10 watts of input power. In addition to the filters themselves, these all work in the tactical communication bands from HF through UHF. Later in the year, we'll have filters in the L and S band to come. But also we're showing our eval boards, and these eval boards are very simple to use. They use an Arduino controller we connect through USB back to a GUI that runs on the PC, and then a simple 5-volt connection to the eval board. You're up and running, and you can see the filters working, which we'll show in a minute. We have application boards for all our parts available through our distributor, Richardson RFPD. In this graphic here, you can see the full line of tunable filters where, depending on the bandwidth you want, whether it's HF, through UHF, different rejection, different power handling, it's a full portfolio. And lastly, I want to show these application boards running live. So the screen here shows a filter we call the SAX 254. It's a 30 to 512 megahertz tunable filter with very high rejection. And we're running a frequency hopping waveform to show the tuning speed of the filter. As we've kind of moved from channel to channel very quickly, the filter is still has flat performance and good rejection regardless of the switching speed. On this screen, we're showing the SAX 280. This is a very small form factor. It's this little guy here, tuning from 225 to 400 megahertz with very flat response across, very low insertion loss. As you can see, we're always between 4.5 to 4.4 dB of insertion loss. So if you have tunable filter requirements, normally we see these either in the receive section or in the drive chain between the driver and final stage. Contact NewEdge Signal Solutions today.